Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video it's going to be about hair. I am currently loving all these hair trends. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen them as well. All the cute and fancy little clips on the hair. I also love using bobby pins to create fun looks, and that's what today's video is all about. I currently bought a pack of bobby pins in my local CVS, and the possibilities are endless. I mean, you can do so much with the bobby pins, do so many hairstyles, and I'm currently in love with that trend. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you a few different hairstyles that you can create with bobby pins. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you did like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know which look is your favorite. If you do recreate any of the ones that I did today, please tag me on social media. I would love to see it. You can go ahead and subscribe to my channel. The link is down below. You can also follow me on social media, Patties_Closet. And you can also follow my fashion blog, pattiescloset.com. There I share more fashion, more beauty, and lifestyle content. See you in my next video.